We have another video from Meenan Transmissions. 2 locations, one in Willow Grove and one in Lansdale. We can be reached online at Meenan Transmissions DOT COM. Transmission we're talking about today is a 604 transaxle. This transmission was released by Chrysler back in 1989 and has gone through a series of changes throughout its, I guess you could say, development cycle. Well, the one that we have on the bench here is actually the latest. This is out of a 2012 Dodge Avenger. One of the things that was very prone for problems, this pin on the diff that holds the pinion gears in, the pin was prone for coming out. When it would hit the case and basically destroy the case and cause some very, very significant damage. So Chrysler updated, they put this cage around that pin, eliminating that potential. A couple of things. In order to improve the fuel mileage, they put something VLP, variable line pressure solenoid in. Also a transducer to provide feedback to the computer to actually know what this line pressure control solenoid is doing. That's good. Now the bad is when I look at these clutches in the transmission. Show you back the earlier transmission, the 2.4 clutch. Actually had 4 clutches. Now it only has 3. The low reverse clutch had 5, and now it only has 4. So whether they think they can attain the same holding power by using the variable line pressure solenoid to increase holding power or increase the applied pressure to make it hold, but nonetheless, the earlier transmissions actually had 3 clutches in that particular clutch pack, and they increased it to 4. Now they're going back, which seems like a step in the wrong direction, especially as the power level of these engines increases. So another interesting thing, these are the accumulator pistons for this transmission. These accumulator pistons are made out of plastic. Back in '89 they had plastic ones. They were very prone for failing, so they actually went to aluminum, and then the failures all went away. It's a little discouraging to see that they've gone back to a material that was prone for failure in the first place. Whether they change the composition of the plastic is tough to tell, but nonetheless, a lot of General Motors products we will actually put aluminum accumulator pistons and replace the plastic ones, because the plastic is very prone for failure. So with this transmission you have some definite improvements, and again, improvements for fuel mileage, improvements for durability, like the diff pin cage. But I start to question when I see less clutches. You're actually putting more of a dependence on the control system and pressure changes to make the transmission hold, instead of having the capacity with the clutches.